Welcome to all. In the last class, we completed electromagnetic effect, that is inductive effect. So different types of electromagnetic effects we have. The second one is resonance effect. What is resonance effect? The existence of a molecule or ion in more than one forms but differ in electronic distribution is called resonance. And these structures, different structures, we are taking as resonance or canonical structures. Okay, what is resonance? Molecule or ion exist in more than one forms but differ in electronic distribution, that is resonance. Here we can see some of the examples. In the case of benzene, you can see form 1. Electronic distribution is this way. Suppose these all pi bonds are in conjugation. That's why here distribution is changing. You can see in the second form. So here pi bond distribution is different from second form. Okay. So these two are canonical structures. Okay. In this case of benzene, we are taking a resonance structure. So resonance structure we are taking this way. This way benzene resonance structure we are representing. So two structures are possible. The molecular structure we are taking as a resonance structure. Same way CO2 minus, CO3 minus 2. CO3 minus 2 case also you can see here negative charge, double bond, here negative charge. So if you shift this negative charge between this carbon and oxygen, here also you can see polarization between carbon double bond oxygen. So that's why in this oxygen case negative charge, here double bond, and here you get double bond. Next, in form 3 case, double bond polarized to this oxygen, and here the negative charge is polarized to this one. So here you get double bond, here negative charge. There is no change in the negative charge. So CO3 minus 2 case, three canonical structures are possible. Here also we can write the resonance structure, because here this pi bond is changing from this oxygen to this oxygen and this oxygen. So that's why we can write resonance structures this way. CO, here also O. So that electronic distribution we can represent with the dotted lines. So this way we can write the canonical structure in the case of CO3 minus 2. So in the case of 1,3-butadiene case also, if you shift this pi electrons between carbon 2 and carbon 3, this pi bond can be shifted to carbon 4. So this is one of the form. So if you shift electrons that way, you get here positive charge, here you get negative charge. So this is the form 1 and form 2. Next, in the case of this NH2 and this double bond, these both are in conjugation. Alternative bonds, alternative pi bonds and pi bond alternative to the positive charge or negative charge or lone pair, whatever. These are we are taking as conjugated systems. So here a lone pair is in the conjugation with pi bond. So if you shift lone pair of electron towards this carbon nitrogen bond, here the electrons are shifted towards carbon. So you get form 2. In the form 2, negative charge on the carbon, positive charge on the nitrogen. This way we can define resonance structures, and some of the examples in the case of resonance structure. Okay, now we can see when resonance is possible, the possible conditions for the resonance. A pi bond is in conjugation with another pi bond, lone pair, empty orbital or negative charge an atom, adjacent atom. In this case, resonance is possible. So simply we are taking here a pi bond is in conjugation. Conjugation means what? The bonds are in alternative way. Okay. So a pi bond is in conjugation with another pi bond or lone pair or empty orbital or negative charge on an adjacent atom, where we are taking adjacent atom. Okay. This is the possible case. The next one, negative charge is in conjugation with empty orbital. Positive charge is conjugation with lone pairs. So here in these cases also resonance is possible. So here you can see these two pi bonds are in conjugation. So if you shift this pi bond towards this carbon-carbon bond and this bond is shifted towards this corner carbon, then here you get positive charge, here you get negative charge. Same way, here pi bond is in conjugation with a lone pair. So if you shift lone pair towards this carbon-nitrogen bond, this pi bond is shifted towards corner carbon. So here you get negative charge, on nitrogen you get positive charge. So these two are the resonance structures. Here pi bond is in conjugation with lone pair. So here negative charge is in conjugation with empty orbital. So negative charge is shifted towards this carbon boron bond. So that's why you get CH2 double bond BH2 minus. So in the case of CH2 plus and chlorine, so here positive charge is in conjugation with lone pair. So this lone pair is shifted carbon-chlorine bond, then you get positive charge on the chlorine. This way we can consider resonance conditions. Okay. Now we can see rules for resonance. First one is all the atoms must be planar or near planar in the case of molecule. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, the resonance structures differ only electronic distribution, not in the case of relative positions of the atoms. Atoms may change, but electronic distribution must be same. This is the second rule. Third one is the total number of paired and unpaired electrons must be same in resonance structures. Fourth one is the resonance structures need not be same energy. Different forms are having different energy, but electronic distribution is same. Okay, then the resonance structure are hypothetical. We are not taking as a real structures. One molecule should have one structure. But here in the case of molecule, we are giving more than one structures in the case of resonance. So that's why the actual structure we are taking as resonance hybrid. Okay, the resonance hybrid energy is lower than any canonical structure, any resonance structure. So here the resonance hybrid energy minus lowest energy resonance structure. The difference we are taking as resonance energy. So these are the rules for the resonance. Next, applications of resonance effect. The first one is, in the resonance case, what is happening? Delocalization of the electrons. Okay, so due to the delocalization of electrons in the molecule, this develops what? Polarity, dipole moment and change in the bond length. These three are affected due to resonance. Suppose if you take 1,3-butadiene, if you compare this bond length between A and B, because of the resonance effect, here pi bond is shifted towards AB carbon. So compared to the single bond, double bond length is less. So that's why in these two cases the bond length between A and B, F1 case it is more, F2 case it is less. Dipole moment. How we are defining dipole moment? Charge and into distance. So here in the first molecule case there is no charge, but in the second molecule case there is there are charges and there is a distance between the charges. So that's why here the dipole moment in the case of form 2 is more compared to 1. Okay. Resonance effects is two types, plus RE effect and minus RE effect. Plus resonance effect, minus resonance effect. So now we define that plus RE effect and minus RE effect. Okay. Now we can take plus resonance effect. The transfer of electrons away from the atom or group which is attached to the conjugated system is called plus resonance effect. So in this case, electrons are transferring from an atom or group. These are attached to the conjugated system. Suppose if you take aniline case, this is a conjugated system. This phenyl group is the conjugated system. To this phenyl group, the NH2 group is attached. So here lone pair is shifted towards conjugated system. So if you shift that way, here you get negative charge, then after here you get negative charge, then you get here this molecule again. Okay. So this way we can say NH2 group is the plus RE effect. They are donating electron density to the molecule. That groups are donating electron density towards the molecule or conjugated system. Okay. Here some of the examples, some of the groups we can consider as plus RE groups: X halogen, OH, OR. Here everywhere you can see lone pair. That lone pair is shifted to the conjugated system. NH2, NHR, NR2. These groups are some of the examples in the case of positive resonance effect. So now we can see minus RE effect. Next we can see minus resonance effect. So the transfer of electrons towards the atom or group which is attached to the conjugated system is called minus RE effect. These groups are atom, we are taking minus RE group. Suppose if you take nitrobenzene, you get these three resonance structures. In these resonance structures, you can see positive charge on the carbons, that is delocalizing. Pi bond positive charge is delocalizing. But previous case, plus RE effect case, negative charge is delocalizing. Here minus RE effect case, positive charge is delocalizing. So this NO2 group we are taking as minus resonance effect group. Similarly, ketonic group, carboxylic group, NO2, cyanide group and aldehyde group, SO2R group, these are all what? Minus RE groups.